Make tacos with me for taco night for my family. All right, first we're gonna brown the meat and we're going to put some chili beans in a saucepan. And we're gonna put some hard shells in the oven. This makes them crunchy and yummy. We put some taco seasoning in our meat while it's browning. And we're going to shred some cheese and check on our beans. I turned the heat off when it was bubbling and I flipped over the meat and left it to keep cooking. I cut up some tomatoes and removed all the seeds, chopped it up. And I'm going to use a hand blender and I'm going to blend those beans so that I can mix them in the meat and my kids won't detect it. Beans are cheap, meat is expensive. So this is how we expand our meat so that it seems like we have more than we had to buy. All right, I'm putting more taco seasoning. My meat's almost all the way brown, but it needs a little bit more. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic salt in there. Okay, a medium amount. All right, next up, I'm going to heat up a pan. I'm going to put some butter spray on both sides of my tortillas. And as they bubble up, then I will flip them over. You'll see some clips of some various tortillas as I flip them. As the pan heats up, you will turn the heat down. So you start off with it on high just so the pan can heat up. Then you turn it down to medium. And if you notice that it's not bubbling immediately, then you can turn it up to like a little bit more than medium. All right. My kids really enjoyed their tacos. They each got to pick if they wanted hard shell or soft shell. They got to pick what they wanted on their plates. And dinner was a success. Thanks for watching. Bye.